Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the outline of a realistic eye using just your hand and a pencil. Let's start. First things first, I'll start creating a rectangle to define the edges and then I'll start drawing the eye. Let's break down the structure of the eye first. So the shape of the eye somewhat looks like this, and I'll draw the raw sketch like this only. You can see the shape I am drawing looks similar to the shape I have shown to you a few seconds before. Then I'll erase the rough outline and I'll start drawing finer details of the eye. First I'll darken the outline of the eye and then I'll gradually add the natural creases around the eye. While doing this, I keep on observing the symmetry and proportions of the eye, and in this way I'll gradually draw the pupil, the eyelids, the eyebrows, each and every details of the eye. So keep watching how I'm drawing and also try to practice on your own. And if you really like watching my videos, please subscribe my channel, like and share this video and comment your thoughts on this drawing. This is a freehand tutorial and I'm pretty sure that it will enhance your drawing skills. So keep watching till the end of this video to see the final results, how this drawing came out actually. And stay tuned to see the next parts also, where I'll share the shading process.